As a mother, I am personally super excited about the topic of discussion today. Hi, I'm Malika Shaukat. I'm the founder and CEO of AimFit. And today we have with us Michelle Akbar. A lot of us know her as Eat Mostly Greens on Instagram. And what you guys don't know about her is that she's also a mom. So we are uncovering kids' nutrition, everything to do with it, losing weight, gaining weight, obesity, everything with Michelle Akbar today. So stay tuned. Hi, Michelle.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I'm good. How are you?
Welcome back in the series because we're doing a series now.
Yes, I'm so happy to be back here.
So, funnily, a lot of people don't know because you're a very private person. You don't share this,
Yeah.
socially or
Yes.
on social media.
Yes.
But you're also a mom.
Yes, and I have two. I have two boys.
Kids. Yeah, mashallah. You want to share their ages?
Yes. So one just turned 7, and the
Yeah.
other one is 1.5.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Mashallah.
Yeah.
So, like, very, very different ages as well.
Very different ages. Yeah.
And I have 3, so I've also got, that I'll bring that flavor to a conversation of like, what is it like to have like maybe like 3 and then have them at different ages and
Yes.
split apart. So, Michelle, the reason we, when we were speaking of like getting together and talking, and one of the reasons why I wanted to really talk about kids' nutrition and obesity is because एक तो alarming rates हैं अब Pakistan में of not just kids being overweight but obesity.
Yes.
Like I think some latest stats say it's between 15 to 20%. और हमें like काफी देर से हम सुनते आ रहे हैं that developed world in the US in particular it's a very big problem.
Yeah.
And they're fighting this every day and they, they've got now policies around it and things.
Yes.
But it's also become a big issue in Pakistan where we don't have infrastructure to later deal with these things.
Yes.
Because, being overweight or obese at an early age comes with not just health issues later, I believe, but also a lot of mental, maybe stress or issues, anxiety,
Yes.
relationship with food, disorders later on in life.
Yes.
So tell me, like, I'm going to also share with you what maybe some of my followers or community members and people have shared as their concern.
Yeah.
But when we see or, we go in family gatherings or we have family members,
Yeah.
एक दूसरे के बच्चे, बहन भाइयों के, when we see kids as, maybe starting to put on weight at an early stage in life or being overweight or being obese, it's like a really big taboo कि कोई उसके बारे में somehow बात भी नहीं करता, parents कई दफा उसको acknowledge नहीं करते. But what are like some of the early signs and should these parents be worried and parents who are maybe struggling with kids who are starting to become overweight should be concerned about?
Yeah. So, of course, I'll come with the point of view of being a mother myself, but I've also served as a pediatric dietitian. I was working with children who have eating disorders. When it comes to children, as parents, mothers, and fathers, we need to, when we go to pediatrician appointments, also just, check the growth chart. And I always get a printout of the growth chart and see where's my child lying in percentile. I know it's a little bit, it might sound a little bit obsessive, but it's really nice data, to know, okay, where is he or she in terms of height? Where is he or she in terms of weight? And one of the early signs is just knowing कि अच्छा वो अपने percentile से अगर एकदम ऊपर hop कर गई है या कर गया है, then you know that this child has gained a ton of weight, because generally we like to see kids in the same percentile.
Yeah.
That they were born in, so usi line, because we're lines and we can always ask the pediatrician to explain it to us if we don't understand, but just see where your child is. And then, of course, also as we see our kids, we see कि उनको, and it's nothing to be shy about. I understand कि एक taboo topic, a lot of parents like to brush it down the rug, कि ये बाद में देखा जाएगा, अभी बहुत cute लग रहा है, अभी बहुत ये, but these are underlying causes that not just contribute to their, the mental health, but also it'll appear in their academics and how they behave, their sports, their friendships, all of that. So it's very important to address these things and pediatric weight, obesity or underweight.
By the way, it's very interesting that you say that. So for my kids, we lived in Dubai for a very long time. So we have a pediatrician there.
Yeah.
And she's the one who, when they were born, she's the one who we used to go to.
Yeah.
So अब यहाँ पे भी एक pediatrician है because हम यहाँ move हो गए हैं.
Yeah.
But हम अभी भी, क्योंकि my son has asthma और कुछ उसकी underlying चीजें हैं जो वो she helps us manage.
Yeah.
So we still keep visiting, our pediatrician in Dubai.
Achha.
And every time she will bring out the growth chart,
Yeah.
the weight chart. My
Yeah.
older one just turned 8.
Yeah.
So अब वो 8 साल के बच्चे का भी उसका मैप कर रहे हैं कि अच्छा ये 50th पे है, 60th पे, किस
Right.
percentile पे है.
Yeah.
And she'll always say to me, oh, this is excellent because they're following their percentile.
Yes.
और
Yes.
इंटरेस्टिंग बात ये है कि यहाँ के पीडियाट्रिशियंस की अपॉइंटमेंट्स पे कभी भी वो नहीं होता. And it's actually a very sad thing. So once I took my son to a new pediatrician, जो कि बहुत ही एक problem था, they didn't take history. They weren't concerned कि बच्चे की overall health क्या है. बस 5 minutes में देखा someone very famous and medicine दी and oh, this will be fine. Just
Yeah.
put this medicine.
Yeah.
Bye. When actually there should be like and when parents do start to see that, when they see कि अच्छा अब प्रोफाइल में कोई चेंज आ रहा है, या आपको खुद एज ए पेरेंट पता लग जाता है, इवन अगर आप टू बी ऑनेस्ट चार्ट नहीं कर रहे उसको. What should be some of the things? So what I've heard, I've seen this also in my close circle, but I've also, some people have shared it on Instagram. What I've heard is that kids are unable to control their cravings. Mothers will complain that मेरे बच्चे को भूख बहुत ज्यादा लगती है, राइट, खाता बहुत ज्यादा है, राइट, ये एक बहुत कॉमन लैंग्वेज है, बहुत खाता है, रोक नहीं सकता अपने आप को, और सर्टेन चीजों की बहुत क्रेविंग होती है, और हम उसको नहीं रोक पा रहे. एंड देन ऑब्वियसली यू स्टार्ट सीइंग ऑन द फ्लिप साइड द चाइल्ड नॉट जस्ट गेनिंग वेट बट ऑल्सो finding it hard to move an overweight body.
Yes.
So being less active.
Yes.
अगर वो किसी स्पोर्ट में पार्ट ले रहे थे तो वो भी वो ड्रॉप कर देते हैं, बिकॉज एक तो शायद हिलना मुश्किल हो रहा है या परफॉर्मेंस स्पोर्ट की उतनी अच्छी नहीं है. So what is a parent's, like as a dietitian, what are some of the things that a parent who has this child, who is now starting to show some of these signs, what should they be doing? Should they seek some help? घर में क्या changes कर सकते हैं, किस तरह की help seek कर सकते हैं?
Yeah. Of course, like if somebody has the opportunity to visit a registered dietitian who specializes in children, because dealing with them is a little bit different, and the language that we want to speak, the way we want to welcome them into a room. So when I was on my pediatric rotations, when a child walks in, the first thing, we're not never going to weigh them. A lot of times aap aajate and the first thing nurse is going to like weigh the kid, height, weight. We never do that. Like, walk the kid in, talk to them about their day, make them, warm them up, make them feel comfortable, because we don't want to show the kid that aapka weight is the only thing that I am dealing with, just like bring that personal connection. And then also, like you said, a history of, where are they coming from, family kaisi hai, how did they grow up. And then as a dietitian, calorie restriction or restricting kids' food is never the thing we want to do. Never ever. Like खाने को रोकना या खाने को कम करना या ये कहना कि ये क्यों खा रहे हो या ये खाते हो तो इसकी वजह से look at you. We never want to focus on food. We want to focus on adding good food that supplements the food that they're already eating. So offering them a variety. Agar wo burger kha rahe hain, let's say, I don't know, XYZ company ka, then offer them how about a few bites of, cucumbers with this. So we want to add, instead of restrict, the mindset needs to be an addition mindset. What else can I add into this meal? If they're eating chicken nuggets, what else can I add rather than take away? Ki main unka chicken nuggets kam kar dun ya main le lun. What else can I add? Maybe I can offer them a cup of milk, or maybe I can offer them, any vegetables that you figured out that they like, cook it in a different way. If that kid is eating fries, offering them something else with the fries. So addition mindset rather than restriction. And then also the focus needs to be movement. Ab jitna us bachche ko, it doesn't have to be an exercise. It could be just taking the child out to a park for a walk. It could be just, allotting them tasks around the house. So, for my older one, he earns his pocket money or his through this way. So, completing XYZ, like 3 tasks equals $1.
Wow.
And those tasks sometimes are like a little bit challenging, where like he needs to like unload the dishwasher or like pick up the laundry and like put the laundry in the dryer. So niche se sara kuch upar, now he's using his muscles, picking up everything and putting it in the dryer, taking it out of the dryer, putting it in a basket, carrying it. Sometimes he does 2 loads of those to actually get the laundry somewhere. So allotting tasks to the kids. So again, movement. We want to encourage movement in the kid ताकि हम थोड़ा सा उसके through उनको करें. And then of course when they get hungry again because they've moved, then we again want to supplement with whatever they like to eat.
So recently somebody said to me, and it was very hard to hear and unfortunate as well, that I've stopped, somebody was sharing more personally with me that I'm very worried about my son, daughter, irrelevant, but I'm very
Yeah.
worried about my child's health.
Yeah.
And so much so that, they've put on a lot of weight, and I've stopped taking them to public gatherings or to family gatherings because I get a lot of questions and he gets a lot of comments. And, so I've stopped doing that. And that really made my heart
Yeah.
like sink, hearing it as a mom.
Hmm.
Or hota ye कि when this is the stage where it's a little bit too late,
Yeah.
maybe.
Yes.
Because if it's come to a point where the parent is, physically embarrassed, or the child doesn't want to go out in public, then it obviously started a few years before that,
Yes.
right? So what are some of the, before kids or parents are in this stage where now they find themselves in this position, what are some of the early signs and what are some of the early interventions or baseline changes that need to happen in a Desi household, right? As a mom, I'm sure you've also noticed what's happening with your patients or people who come.
Yeah.
What's the best, takeaways for somebody who's listening?
A lot of times the patients that I would see in the hospital, of course, wo to jo inpatient the, they were at the worst case scenario. Outpatient, we would still see, somewhere, okay, we can work on this. But inpatient, they had to drop the kid because nothing else was working at home. And when I would backtrack and think, I wish ye cheezein parents ne ki hoti, would be, I wish that they were more connected to the child, because a lot of times kids seek gratification in food when they're not getting it from anywhere else. They love that dopamine, they love that sugar, they start relying on happiness through eating because they're not getting it through other sources where they need to. And a lot of times, the kids that I would see would just want finger foods. बस मुझे कुछ ऐसा दें जो मैं जल्दी fried food खा के अपने आप को satisfy कर लूँ. And they would want ensures like vanilla shakes and things कि बस वो instant calories मिल जाए. Because that would just make them feel satisfied. Okay, fine, So again, I would see that missing gap where the parent had to be there to fulfill and talk and sit down and enjoy a meal and really say कि खाना हमारी body को भी nourish कर रहा है. It goes back to the conversation we had in the last episode where sitting down together, enjoying a meal. Also, like involving your kids in cooking makes a big difference where the child is feeling the food, molding things and cutting up vegetables and being involved in the process of cooking where it makes them more comfortable with the food, because with my younger one, I had to actually, because like I was busy, so I would like feed him and I started seeing he was retaliating to food. So I had to do a little bit of occupational therapy with him where I would just like put a cucumber on his cheek, because he's a baby, he's sitting in his chair and like, we're like pulling down a cucumber or we're like, just putting carrots on it. So now he's not, and वो मेरी गलती थी कि शुरू में I was, just force feeding him a little bit, but then backtrack. So now, just texture को feel करें vegetables का. So going back, अगर आप शुरू में ही अपने बच्चों को थोड़ा सा खाने की making में involve करें, उनके साथ बैठ के खाएं, enjoy करें, और फिर food को, सारे food को ये नहीं कि this is evil or this is bad or, but food is, this is a nice treat that we can have once in a while, but this is protein. It's going to help build muscle. It's going to help us get stronger. We love carbs. They're an instant source of energy for our body. The way that we talk to kids, the way that we look at food, and the way that we talk about food has a huge impact.
Yeah.